What's up, everyone? Hope this video was helpful. For me, it was a pain in the ass, but hope you guys get something out of it. And enjoy. You gotta have this tool if you want to remove those cranks. Look at that. There you go, Park Tools CCP-44. Another must-have, bike hand, YC-29BB-2A, reverse thread. And a chain whip. Gotta have this to take it off. Ugh. Oh yeah, take a quick break. 13mm. Other side, 5mm. It's time for some country. It's not easy, but they do come out. There you go. Almost there. Looks like there's a hole in there already. I don't even know if I have to drill it. Check this out. Freedom. There we go. There's the brain. Lobotomy. All right, here it is. We're gonna see if we can get this sucker to fit. So I'm going through the grommet. I don't know if you can see that, but it's in there. It's gonna go under that shield, up and out, into there, and there is a hole for the seat post tube inside there. Should be coming out. There it is, right there. I see it. Oh shit. There she is. Oh yeah, baby. A peacock. There she is, right there. All the way out. Plenty.
Leave it long
Plenty,
enough?
bro. Yeah, I left it way long enough. I don't know if you can see in there, but there is a hole. Dave, the man, he's visiting with this badass slate with our Lyric Ultimates. looks pretty good.
Yep.
Little channel. Make sure that motor fits inside there. I'm sure I voided the warranty, but whatever. All right, now I'm gonna flip her over. Make sure that cable is where it needs to be. We're in that C-post dropper. Then I'll flip it back over and install the motor. It should sit below the motor mount. We'll see. Also, while I was at it, I made that little notch in the area right there for the speed sensor. The speed sensor is pinched. That's not cool. But now when I put the motor back in, it'll be recessed in that little notch right there. Well, got it in. I'm just missing the piece that goes in here. This thing was a pain in the ass, to be honest. I still got to put all this back on. But anyway, pain in the ass. I don't know if I messed up, but everything works so far. Got to put it all back together now. So I got a 32 tooth on here. I want to try this 36 I just got. 32 was okay, but I want to try this for a little bit more top speed, top end. We'll see if this makes a difference. So yeah, if you want to change your sprocket, front sprocket, this is the piece you need. Amazon, sorry, eBay. I'll put the link in the description, but like I said, I took out the 32, I'm gonna put on the 36. Of course, blue Loctite everything. There it is, 36 tooth, ready to go back on. Blue Loctite everything. This is reverse thread. Chain whip. There we go. All right, time to put the cranks back on. So while I'm down here, I'm Loctiting all of these screws. These aren't Loctited, and they do rattle out. So I'm doing one at a time. All right, well, I'm done for the night. This cable did not come with the piece that goes right inside there, which is kind of weird. This is kind of a funky, I don't know. I'm not sure if I like this style of dropper. It's got this piece that comes off your handlebar here, kind of different. But dropper's in. What else did I do? I did that 36 tooth. Give that a try. I'm still waiting for that brake adapter for that 203 millimeter rotor. I have the brakes up here, waiting to go in. Maybe right now, let's see, maybe I'll do these brake levers, little shorties. So I'm going to change out these levers for some shorties. Right, got the shorty levers on. Looking good. All right, I just got to finish this up tomorrow. Drop a post. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. More work to do. Stay stoked. Please subscribe, share, like, comment. All right, everyone, good night.